This tip is about how to leverage the trial close throughout the entire sales process. Now, the trial close is one of the more well-known closes there is, and it's basically an if-then statement. Hey, if this happens, will you do that type of thing? And you can leverage this at all stages of the sales process. For instance, when somebody asks for a discount, hey, if I can get you that discount, will you sign the contract? That's a trial close. Or if I can get you that discount, will you be my champion as far as fighting for me? That's a trial close. It's not a hard close. A hard close would be asking, will you sign the contract or will you be my champion? A trial close is really just testing it out. And one of the more well-known ways to leverage this is at the beginning of a meeting, and it's something Sandler sales training calls the upfront contract. Now, what this is again, it's a trial close. So for instance, what you do is when you kick off a meeting, you set the stage. First, you want to ask, hey, do we still have 30 minutes or whatever? But then you'll say, hey, look, here's a brief agenda for a few things I want to make sure that we cover today. What else do you want to make sure that we add to that? So, right? You start the conversation that way. And you get the client to fill in what they want to get out of that presentation, out of that call, out of that meeting. And then what you say is, okay, great. Look, if we hit on all those points, all those things that you're looking for out of this meeting, typically the next steps are we bring in your executive team, we bring in the technical team, whoever that is. So if we, address all those concerns or questions that you had today, would you feel comfortable taking that next step with us? Again, trial close. What you're doing is you're testing. And now the beauty of that is you can address it right then and there. Because if they say yes, well then great. So now you go through the sales process and you ask the questions, then you go back to them and say, hey, did we address all your needs? It looks like it. So now let's take those next steps. It makes the close a lot easier for those next steps. But if they say no to that, again, you can address it right then and there. And you can say, well, why wouldn't you? Typically, those are the next steps. And you can hash out that objection there. So the trial close is something you should use early and often throughout the entire sales process, especially when it comes to setting up meetings to set yourself up to close for those next steps. Let's make it happen.